kickstand.
Alright, so this gas tank here is really cool. It's off in 1986 that I bought. So all this is brand new and never been used. I have pictures to prove it. I bought 2 bikes off this really successful rancher up in Montana, and they're going to rebuild them next summer. One of the problems with the old school gas tank here is you can't put the OEM toolkit on, but I think if you add these spacers in there, you can get all that on there. There is the mount that you can buy on eBay. Comes with some instructions that obviously will be really helpful. Out of all the stuff that was put on the bike, these are the only instructions I got. And what I find really hilarious about it is the holes are actually drilled the opposite of the picture. So even if you can't read the only instructions you get, the pictures don't match, which is cool. They give you 2 bolts. So they don't even give you bolts to mount the tank holder. This tank holder is in such good shape, it's so cool. You can even see, let's see if you go, take the key out, a little arrow. So you got your tank mount, the bolts that I provided. These I'm not going to use. Take this. I'm going to go through the top one. The bottom one has a little spacing. A little Loctite. This one has a washer, which will work well with that spacing. The reason I have this hacksaw there is because these bolts might be too long, and it doesn't actually look that good. So I might cut them off. Probably want this pretty tight. You don't want the gas tank falling off. Alright, solid. Check for clearance. We're pretty golden here. Now, I have a lock washer here on that one. I'm not going to use that on this first one, just to try and get everything to fit. So the challenge is to get those two to clear each other. So, I think so. We just barely have enough. The goal here is to get this one side in, and then we can put the other side in relatively tight and take this side back out. But sometimes you get kind of wish you had 3 hands. Oh, I think we're in, man. Yeah. Just gonna go a little bit, and hopefully it didn't go too tight where I can't sneak the spacer in. Hopefully, I can sneak this in. I can't see anything, but that feels well, that sounded pretty good. Now, I can back this other one out and put the lock washer on. And on this one, I might try and sneak some Loctite on the end of the bolt. Grab your key, unlock it, you have access. And I think the way you're supposed to use these is just crack that and then take this tube off and then just dump it out of the tube into the tank. The only thing I did to this was I put a new gasket on. That's the original cap. Never been used. See if it fits. Now, with the spacer, it's gonna stick out farther. So, if you drop this bike, probably gonna scratch the gas tank. All the components are really tight because it's in such good shape. Oh yeah, if you live in a big city, you at least want someone to have a knife to steal your helmet. You can go like so. Take the helmet back off. That also keeps the gas tank locked.